Half a seat, half a seat.
Half a seat.
Now, come here. Can you ask this man, please, can he put down the gun? Because to talk, we don't need the gun. Okay?
afar ilaa saac gudahood haddana waxaan ka raba aanan ka helin waa toogaa gibigood ways dhaafsiyaa.
If I'm not get what I'm wanting,
Yeah.
after 24 hours, all of them they will be killed.
qofkiiba $100,000 aan ka rabaa.
Each person going to get $100,000.
Okay, but please, you can explain to this man, this cannot be done in one day. This must be long negotiation.
Kan waxa uu dhahay hal maalin ma ku dhici karto.